Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. So in the last video we did scene transitions, created this extra level, and we have a pretty basic main menu, just C# game and play button. I don't think you guys need more than that, right? But you know, it depends. So whenever you press play, level 1 starts, and then you play it all the way to the end here. And whenever you touch that flag, it goes to level 2. And the flag actually has a reference to what level it should load. So here it is. You could press that to pick what you want to load up. And it just grabs the path and then loads it. So for level 2, we didn't place anything. So let's just tell it to go back to the main menu. Let's go to scenes and main menu for now. I had a crash off recording. I forgot about it. Well, not a crash. Didn't do anything. Because we had that check on the flag, so let's double check that again. So I just check if this is here, do something. So it didn't do anything. I was like, dang. So I could put that else here for now. Print GD print. Oh, it's set or something like that. So that should be fine now. And then now we're gonna work on audio. So I imported some audio files, CG music here. This is just the file containing the song. So we're gonna load this as a scene. It's just a BG music. So let's go on the player and for Z character, let's open him up. We're gonna create a node that just holds the audio files. And then we could add audio stream players. So audio stream player. I'm gonna just name these one for walking, and then duplicate it, and one for jumping. What else did I have? And one for coin. But the coin is gonna be on the actual coin itself. So let's delete that. Or do it? Yeah, I have to put it on the coin. So let's first do the character. So we have to now get a reference to the audio files. So to do that, let's create some audios. So say public audio stream player, and we have walking and jumping. Now we need to create a reference to each. Rename this to SFX. That I could write SFX / walking. Let's just copy this. Get node audio stream player SFX walking and jumping. Let's copy and paste that SFX dot jumping. Alright, so now that we're down here, so what you would think you would do is just to play it, but what we have to do is pause it on plates. Let me show you. So instead, let's see what we have. Walking, stream paused. We're gonna set this to be true here, since false here, since we're walking here. I think that's it. Yep. And then we change it back to paused here. So stream paused equals true. You think you'd use play here, but what will happen is it's gonna just start spamming, so it's restarting every update. And instead, what we do here, we come back up top. We're gonna just tell it to start playing. So walk play. So let's, and for the jump now, let's just call the jump right when we jump here. So jumping dot play, since you don't want it to be called once. Then now we could test this out, run the scene, alright, and then we could walk around. Looks like I broke something. Let's see what that was. Guys, guess what was happening here? I have an uppercase J right here for some reason. That was it. How different does that look? I know you could see the dot if you look hard enough, but I was missing it the whole time. Anyways, just save that. So this should be working now. Trust me, I paused for a good 10-15 minutes. I didn't even see the error here. There you go. There you go. Nice. Now let's add the audio for our background music. I mean, so this scene, we're gonna just load it up and tell it to start whenever the game starts. And I mean, I have that set up already. So playing. Let's go to project settings, auto load, load that scene up. So audio, background music. You could also load nodes as well, because scripts actually turn into a node, whatever they're extended. So let's close that, and now our music should play. I don't know if you guys could hear it though. Let me turn this up a bit. See. Alright, now you should be able to hear it. Alright, now we need a coin effect. Alright, so for the coins, there's two ways you can do the audio. You could either put it directly on it, but then we have to manage how it's removed, because we want the audio to play before it's removed. So we can either disable this shape and then play the audio file and then delete it. That's one way to do it. Or we could put it on the player. So if we put the one coin sound on the player, it would be better resource wise, but let's just do it on the coin. So first, let's change this to maybe call, something simple, so we could grab it easily. Let's add that audio stream player. Let's say coin sound or coin effects. Now we can use a tween, or we could put it right here. So public audio stream player. Let's grab it down here. Coin effects equals get node audio stream player coin effect. Now down here now, what you'd do here, maybe you'd want to just play the audio effect, but you can't because we're deleting the actual object that contains the effect, the sound. So we need to find a way to play the sound and then not delete it. So we need to either disable the monitoring. We could just do that. So let's make a tween for that. So tween TW equals create tween, and then I'm gonna say tween callback, and you want to be a callable from, and then create this lambda function, and we want to call what is it? Want to disable that. I mean, I could do that before, so let's just play the audio. So coin effects dot play. Alright, and then we want to do another tween callback. So we need to set some kind of delay here. Put it maybe right here. That delay. Oh, I'm on the delay. Maybe 2 seconds. Can delete the squee free. Now let's try that out. So save, and let's attach that actual sound to that node. Let's say that level 1. Whoa, what the heck was that? Am I on the wrong thing? Uh-oh. What is going on? What in the world? What was that? That's the strangest thing I've ever seen. What is going on over there? What is this? That was strange. The world? That was very weird. Alright, moving on. Alright. Okay, that works. So what we need to do too is like give it an animation, maybe like a wish effect or a splash effect, or even set it to hide. Let's do hiding for now. Let's go back to the coin. See, it's pretty simple to do. Just hide it. Could do an effect, but we're gonna just leave that for now. That's fine. Alright, and that's it for audio. We'll go to level 2. There you go. Alright guys, I think that should be the end of the series. The last video. And thank you guys for watching. I could have made some interactions with these guys, but I could do that real quick. Alright, so let's get the slight collisions. So the way you do that is, let's go in physics process. If I'm in attack mode, oh, update attack. Let's just do it in update attack. Okay guys, so I moved it to a check for player function. So in the check for player, we first check for all of the slight collision count, how many there are. And then we get the slight collision index, and that returns a kinematic collision 3D. This returns like the normal, the object that it collided with, and that would be the collider. So we have to say get Godot object, and that's the collider. So then we check if that object is a player. If it is, we cast cast it to a player so we can get the function. Is on floor. So if it's not on floor, you can't hurt the player. And if it is though, we reload the scene. So that's just the game over. We'll just reload. So keeping it simple. Alright guys. So let's test it out. Let's save that and we could check this out. Right now. Alright. And let's get them on first. Uh oh, I just killed all of them. Let's try that again. My bad. Alright, let's test it out. There you go. And that's it for this tutorial. Oh, I'm not sure if I'm going to make any more videos on this, but I'll save this for now and post it to the GitHub and then update you guys. So take care, have a good one.